I love my life, and I would like to live for a lot longer. So parents, before your kids demand you to buy them a new video game or a new console, I would suggest that you keep their ears closed throughout this whole speech. Now, if you all do not decide to do so, then first, I am not to be blamed. And second, all I can do is wish you all good luck. Trust me, you'll need it. I will give you all time, let's say 5 seconds roughly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I see that none of y'all closed your kids' ears, which only means that I'm dead. But jokes aside, good morning to the respective judges, loyal timekeepers, fellow contestants, ladies and gentlemen. Today, I, Jasdev Singh, am going to talk about why parents should allow their kids to play video games. Most parents all over the world have this one theory, that is, if their kids play video games, they will never be successful in their life. However, this theory is completely false. There are various men throughout the world who have been successful in their life just because of playing video games. For example, PewDiePie, the most subscribed YouTuber, earns millions, maybe even billions by now, just because of playing video games. There are various benefits of video games. For instance, video games teach kids problem solving. Video games tend to make kids think. There are many games that are specifically geared towards learning, but even the most basic shooter game can help a kid think logically and process a large amount of data. Now, rather than passively absorbing content from, let's say, a TV show, a video game requires the player's constant input to play the game. Most of you will disagree with this next fact, but hear me out. Video games do help kids socialize. The stereotype pesky-faced adolescent sitting in his mom's basement playing video games is as outdated as Space Invaders. Many games have thriving online and offline fan bases, a community component that strongly encourages social interaction. Furthermore, video games teach kids strategy thinking. Video games tend to make kids think objectively about both the game themselves and their own performance. Video games also give instant feedbacks on the player's decisions, which help them quickly learn their strengths and weaknesses. While there are many games that set a premium on strategy, most set on overall goals and give the players numerous ways in which he or she can achieve that goal. For me, I see nothing wrong with letting kids play video games, but it's up to the parents here to decide whether does video games actually benefit their child or not. Who knows, maybe one day parents might actually realize that video games do have pros and not only cons. As a wise Spanish man once said, "Solo el tiempo lo dirá, only time will tell." Thank you.